This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. This is example 3 in our series of solving equations with fractions. All right, so if you want, try this one on your own first and check it. All right, what can we do here? We have 2/7 x equals -4. So the coefficient of x is 2/7. So to find out what 1x is, we can multiply by the reciprocal. So that would be 7/2. But if you multiply it on the left side, you have to multiply it on the right side of the equation. Now if you want, you could write this as -4/1 or just leave it as -4. So let's see what cancels on the left. The 2's and the 7's both cancel. That's great. So we're going to have x equals. Now over here, be careful. We have a negative times a positive. So our answer is going to be negative, right? And we can either think of that as 28/2, right? Multiplying the 4 times 7/2, or we can cancel the 2 into the 4 twice. I've already taken care of the negative sign, so the 2 times 7 part would be 14. The other option you often see when solving equations with fractions, and the reason I'm showing you the second way is because when you have more than just a single term on each side, like there's an x on both sides of the equation, for instance, often it's easier to do it this second method, which is first get rid of any denominators. So we look for the least common denominator. There's only one denominator in this entire equation, 7, so that's the least common denominator. So this is often called clearing the denominators so we get an equation without any fractions. So if we do it this second method, the 7's cancel and we get 2x equals -28. And then we could divide both sides by 2 and we still get x equals -14. So it's your choice. And there's another way of doing this using proportions, which I go over in some other videos. If you know how to work with proportions, you can do it that way as well. Let's check our answers. So we want to write the original equation when we check. And we're going to put in what we got for our solution, which is -14. I'm going to write that as -14/1, and we just want to simplify the left side of this equation first. So see, 7 goes into 14 twice, but I still have that negative sign. So this is 2 times -2, which is -4. And on the right side, it's already simplified. It's just -4. So I got the same answer. So that means our solution we got here, x equals -14, is correct. And again, we often use solution sets to write our solutions in. All right, this is just a more formal way of writing that the solution is -14 as opposed to writing an equation, x equals -14. This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.